And I said, oh my God.
And so I call this my hot wing, light vinaigrette ranch salad, spinach salad.
I never thought to have a whole egg though to eat off of it and then you can.
Yeah, I put a whole egg on there.
Oh my God.
With a little salt and pepper. And shredded the hot wings off the bone. And these definitely got a nice kick to it.
Hello. Hello. Thank you, me. Goodbye.
I like your crust.
This shit tastes better than Caesar's Garden. I'm telling you. Hello. Hello.
Where's that at?
Shit, look.
Do it even to zero.
I don't know.
I'm
Better than them, though.
I know, right? Why not name something that exists? Fuck wrong with you?
I was say Olive Garden.
Olive Garden. They got some good salad.
Hello, I said Caesar Garden.
I had the banana and pepper.
That's kind of crazy. We should make a food truck down there. Can I ask you what you would cook on your food truck if you did get a food truck? Like what would you have in the morning, or do you have morning specials or just lunch specials?
I do.
Dinner specials. I know you probably have lunch and dinner specials, but
I like to have
do morning.
I would like to do morning. A grill wrap with eggs, sausage.
With a coffee or something. Or a little bit of eggs, man.
Yep, or a veggie one.
So a $7 meal in the morning, that type of shit, right? A $7 to $10 meal. It depends on what you want. You want steak, and that's it.
Yeah.
You want just a regular sausage and all that. With a coffee and say $7.
And I have a grilled coffee because I still want to try my grilled coffee.
And how does grilled coffee come?
Well, the water gonna be boiled off a grill.
We get that part.
So the coffee don't have a real taste to it, but
it's different than the boiled coffee.
Right, but I'm gonna add like a mint flavor to it, a mint and a caramel flavor to it. A little different little things to give it enhance it, give it a kick. Peppermint lemon drop or something like that.
Required match, I just want to know.
Boston baked bean, you know.
No. What?
Why not?
Boston baked beans?
Smoked coffee. No, it wouldn't be smoked. Boston baked bean, grilled coffee.
So you
know what? I put a Boston baked bean and a Chico stick in it.
Where? Where do you get a Boston baked bean?
Then the Chico stick.
And make a coffee out of it. It's you. What the fuck? Hold on. Okay, hello. Okay, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Hello. Boston baked bean coffee. That'll be my trademark then. What do you mean? Boston baked what? Is that Chico? Boston baked bean coffee. A Boston baked bean Chico coffee. Huh?
Yeah. Chico coffee.
Or call it Chico. Chico Boston. Boston bean. Chico Boston bean. That's what you would name it. Make that sound good. Or Chico Boston bean coffee. No? Wouldn't that sound nice?
No.
Then a Boston baked bean Chico coffee?
No. Okay. With a Boston baked bean, no.
Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. You know what? Don't start. Don't start.
I heard you been stealing my shit. Yeah.
I haven't.
I heard you been stealing my shit because I've been locked up. Hello.
Been locked up. Been locked up. Ooh. Come get some milk.
I need a milk. I need a quilt. It's cold in there. It's cold in there. It's cold outside.
It's cold outside.
My dick is bigger than yours. It was cold outside that day. It was cold outside that day. Bang, bang, bang.
Bang, 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 bang.
Watch your mouth.
Boy, watching you how?
There you go. You glad I'm home?
A bad influence.
Shut up. You glad I'm home? Because B told me the same shit.
What?
B told me the same. When you want here, I want to come out here and act like I want to argue with somebody. I ain't got nobody to argue with. I'm like, what?
What the hell?
I'm like, what the fuck?
What the woo?
My boy said he had nobody to argue with. He said, I push you niggas like that. They're like, not to argue with, but then, like, when I want to come out here, vent to her, talk to her. About this nigga.
You just did that sauce, that egg, and the vinaigrette in that red.
It's so fine. It's so fine. It's so fine. You won it. Who you going to? Paul or Peter? Right now, you got both. You got both.
Would you stop so I eat my food so I can focus on? Don't blame recording.
I know, my bad.
You silly rabbit.
I would not call you out your name.
Right, because you're going to get smoked.
Smoke what?
With your own gap. Yeah. And you can cough up my meal too. While you at it.
Cough up it.
Cough it up. Up.
Yeah, what else? Cough it up. Huh?
It don't cost nothing.
And they
All
cough
you
it
need is a
up.
little pat on the back.
There you go.
You'll cough it right on up.
Right on your plate.
Yeah, you put it on my plate. It's gonna be a motherfucking problem.
What though?
A misunderstanding. I ate in the bathing shit.
How you want? Eat your food and tell them about it. Oh, hello.
Yeah, it's
Nice salad. It's a nice salad. It tastes
nice
good.
salad. I need yeah.
What is this, a hot wing salad?
Yeah, hot wing, light vinegar. I mean, hot wing.
It's good.
Italian ranch salad with a whole egg.
Oh, with a whole egg, huh? Huh? Hello.
How?
Good luck. Okay.
Man, my egg falling apart. Shut the fuck up. You're terrible, dude.
What's the hello and goodbye? Yeah, that's my new slogan. Hello, goodbye.
Right.
2 times. So you say hello. No, I'm like, okay, goodbye.
Stop it. The focus hold.
I do focus over like focusing on dope. Can it cook right? Can it cook right? Hello. I don't even think about dope, but can it cook right, huh? Hello.
Oh, and bacon bits in here. God, can't forget about the bacon bits.
This shit make it taste so fucking good. Like, this shit is so crazy. I don't know what you did to this salad, but it tastes so motherfucking good.
Yeah, I don't got them hands, baby.
No, I ain't got no hands.
I got them hands.
Okay.
With me on.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh.
You coming off that 355 shit, right about close to Joliet. What you wrong? You coming close by Joliet, 355 type of shit, huh? There you go.
That's good.
Mm.
Well, I could eat more cheese.
Well, this shit fire.
I could eat more cheese.
Damn. Now think about a steak one like that.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't a chopped up steak one like that. That would be so fucking fire.
Stop. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And you got spinach instead
Yeah.
of lettuce. Fuck
That
the
wo-
lettuce.
that jasmine-
I like spinach though like this, you know what I'm saying? That's what I like.
I like the
I'd rather
spinach.
have spinach anyway.
I like
than
spinach
lettuce.
or romaine.
Right. Me
Either
too.
or.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong. This actually the spinach tastes good.
Better.
And the egg.
what I'm
Omelet.
saying, like-
It tastes just like an egg fouillon. I swear it do. You never tasted like that?
Yes, I took it like that.
Okay.
You know,
Y'all
when
gonna
I
tell
be
you
at
like
the
me.
crib, when I used to be at OG crib, when I used to, you know, when I was working and shit. And I say it all like that. When I was working and shit. I mean, cook me a burrito in the morning before I leave the crib. And that should be fire with spinach. All I have is spinach. I never put lettuce in my shit. I always put spinach in a steak burrito, sausage, or whatever. That shit's so fire. Oh, excuse me.
Sound like dragon mouth.
Hello.
Hello. Don't say it was the food.
Hello. Say it was the...
I'm called mental health people. Because after you hear dead people.
Hello.
At the end of the day, like, share, and subscribe. About finished with this salad at the end of the day.
This motherfucker was picture perfect.
Started my morning off with the salad with it. That was really nice and light.
I tell my grandma she ain't shit. I slapped my grandma down.
Slap her.
She rest in peace.
Oh, no, don't do that.
Take your good one and make you slap your mom. Well, my grandma used to be my mom more than my mom used to be my mom.
Okay, at the end of the day, I got... I'm going to end this video.
Nah, we
But
good.
like, share, and subscribe
Love your
to
mama.
Lovely I.N.
Love your grandmama.
All day, every day. Because they ain't nothing like old school love.
Ooh, this shit's so good, though.
We're not with them. It's out.